Healing isn't an intellectual process, it unfolds deep within your heart. Real healing isn't focused on symptom control, but on returning to your authentic self. Discernment means seeing truth clearly. When that clarity is missing, it often surfaces as a quiet inner knowing. Healing isn't found in methods or practices, but in how deeply you can embrace truth with emotional honesty. Justifying harmful behaviors is a form of self-deception. Healing begins only when you're willing to face the truth about yourself. Emotional wounds don't heal according to your preferences. They follow their own necessary path. The root of emotional suffering lies in avoiding the very feelings you're meant to experience. Unresolved emotional wounds shape your choices, which is why willpower by itself rarely leads to lasting change. True transformation requires healing. While meditation offers many benefits, using it to suppress emotions or escape inner struggles can actually slow down real healing. Pain comes in two forms, one that damages you, and another that transforms you. To build self-trust, stop acting against your own values. You recognize when you're doing it, care enough for yourself to stay aligned with your truth. Feeling emotions doesn't automatically mean you're working through them. Many people spend energy trying to stay intact, when what they truly need is to allow themselves to break down in order to rebuild. Hesitating to heal or change is often just a strategy to remain in familiar, perceived safety. People who genuinely care about you and your well-being won't reject you for speaking honestly or drawing healthy boundaries. There are moments when accepting that you aren't heard or understood is part of moving forward. Real forgiveness isn't found in forgetting. It emerges only when you can recall the past clearly and still let go. Healing shouldn't be occasional. It should be woven into your everyday life, practiced consistently like any essential habit. In my approach, we deal with challenges as they arise. We don't delay, because when something surfaces, it's a signal, the moment is here, and we meet it ready. When it comes to healing, dedication makes a way. Without that commitment, people will always find reasons to avoid the work. Eventually, when you reflect on your healing journey, everything will fall into place and feel meaningful. If you're not taking steady steps toward what you claim to want, that hesitation itself is your main obstacle. Growth of the soul and true healing often require stepping away from the familiar, even if it once felt safe. Simply doing the right actions isn't enough to break harmful cycles. Lasting change comes from healing the emotional pain underneath. Keep talking yourself out of the things you know you need to do, and real change will remain out of reach. Don't fear walking this path by yourself. Most won't join you, and that's okay. Often, those who seem supportive may actually be holding you back without realizing it. The cost of avoiding healing far outweighs the short-term discomfort of facing it head-on. Shifting your mindset alone won't resolve deep emotional issues. Moving forward means releasing the people and things that keep you stuck in the past.